The convenience of high-speed charging, portable charger review. Title: The convenience of high-speed charging, portable charger review. Introduction. In today's fast-paced world, keeping our electronic devices powered up at all times has become a necessity. Whether it's our smartphones, tablets, or laptops, we depend on these gadgets for various personal and professional tasks. The convenience and reliability of high-speed charging have made portable chargers a popular and indispensable accessory. In this article, we will review the benefits and features of different portable chargers, highlighting their efficiency, durability, and compatibility. Section 1: Understanding the need for high-speed charging. In recent years, the battery life of our electronic devices has significantly improved. However, the growing demand for power-hungry applications and the need for constant connectivity place a strain on our batteries. This is where the convenience of portable chargers comes into play, providing a reliable solution for on-the-go charging. By choosing a high-speed portable charger, users can save time, stay connected, and never worry about running out of battery power. Section 2: Key features to look for in a portable charger. 2,1 Capacity. When evaluating portable chargers, one of the primary considerations is capacity. The capacity of a portable charger is measured in mAh, mAh, and indicates the amount of charge it can st. It's important to select a charger with a capacity suitable for your needs. Higher capacity chargers are great for charging multiple devices or larger devices, whereas smaller chargers can conveniently fit in your pocket. 2,2 Output power. Another crucial factor to consider is the output power of the portable charger. The power output is measured in watts or volts/amps and determines how quickly your device will charge. Ideally, a charger with higher output power will deliver faster charging times. Look for chargers that support fast charging technology, such as quick charge or power delivery, for optimal efficiency. 2,3 Portability and design. The whole purpose of a portable charger is its ability to provide power on the go. Therefore, portability and design are essential factors to consider. Compact, lightweight chargers are convenient to carry in your bag or pocket without weighing you down. Furthermore, consider the overall build quality and durability of the charger to ensure it can withstand regular usage and occasional bumps. Section 3: Top portable chargers in the market. 3,1 Anker PowerCore 1000 mAh. Anker is renowned for producing high-quality chargers, and the PowerCore 1000 mAh is no exception. With its compact size, this charger can easily fit in a pocket or bag. Equipped with PowerIQ technology, it can quickly identify the connected device and provide the fastest possible charge. Additionally, the Anker PowerCore ensures the safety of your devices with multiple built-in safety features, making it a reliable choice. 3,2 RAVPower 26800 mAh Power Bank. For those seeking an even higher capacity portable charger, the RAVPower 26800 mAh Power Bank is an excellent option. With its colossal capacity, it can charge multiple devices simultaneously. What sets it apart is the inclusion of 3 output ports, allowing you to charge different devices at the same time. Moreover, its iSmart 2.0 technology intelligently adjusts the output to match your device's requirements. 3,3 Aki 2000 mAh Portable Charger. The Aki 2000 mAh portable charger is known for its sleek design and exceptional performance. With its 2000 mAh capacity, it can charge compatible devices multiple times on a single charge. The charger Gear supports Quick Charge 3.0 technology, allowing for remarkably faster charging speeds. Additionally, its built-in safeguards protect your devices against excessive current and overcharging. Section 4. Additional considerations when choosing a portable charger. 4.1 Charging method. Before purchasing a portable charger, it's important to consider the charging method that works best for your needs. Portable chargers can be charged using a wall adapter, a USB port, or even solar E. Energy. Wall adapters provide faster charging speeds, while USB charging allows for flexibility when no wall outlets are available. Solar-powered chargers, on the other hand, are ideal for outdoor and enthusiasts who are always on the go. 4.2 Compatibility. When selecting a portable charger, it's crucial to ensure that it is compatible with your devices. Different chargers come with varying output ports, such as USB-A, USB-C, and micro-USB. Make sure to check if the charger has the appropriate ports for your specific devices, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Some chargers may also offer compatibility with multiple devices simultaneously. Why providing added convenience? 4.3 Charging speed. Another important consideration is the charging speed of the portable charger. While high-speed charging is a sought-after feature, it's essential to understand the charging capabilities of your device. Says as well. Some devices are not designed to support fast charging technologies, so investing in a charger with excessive charging speeds may not provide any significant benefits. Consider the charging speed of both the charger and your devices to make an informed decision. 4.4 Price and warranty. Finally, when purchasing a portable charger, it's essential to consider the price and warranty offered by the manufacturer. Portable chargers come in various price ranges, depending on their capacity, features, and brand. While it may be tempting to opt for a cheaper option, it's important to balance cost with quality and reliability. Additionally, check the warranty provided by the manufacturer to ensure you are protected against any defects or malfunctions. 4.2 User reviews. Before making a purchase decision, it's always a good idea to consider the feedback and reviews from other users. User reviews can provide valuable insights into the performance, durability, and overall satisfaction with a particular portable charger. Websites like Amazon, Best Buy, and other online retailers often have user reviews and ratings for the products they sell. Take the time to read both positive and negative reviews to get a well-rounded understanding of the portable charger's pros and cons. This will help you make an informed decision and choose a charger that best suits your needs and preferences. For example, some chargers may have built-in LED indicators to display the remaining battery life. Others may come with built-in cables or multiple charging ports. Some chargers even have built-in flashlights or wireless charging capabilities. Consider these additional features based on your personal preferences and requirements. 4.4 Brand reputation. When it comes to portable chargers, it's often beneficial to choose a reputable brand known for its quality and reliability. Established brands like Anker, RAV-Power, and Aki have a track record of producing durable and efficient chargers. They often offer better customer support and have a proven reputation for their products' performance. While lesser-known brands may offer lower prices, they